Dad doing $1,000 job. Trim everything up and pull all the weeds out here. Make it look good. They're gonna have a party. What's going on, guys? Yellow Jacket Lawn Care. We're doing some trimming up limbs over here for 400 bucks. It's gonna take us about 2 hours. Since we got all the equipment we need, so you can knock things out. Okay, guys, y'all wanna look around what kind of job I'm doing? Okay, I don't mind sharing my stuff with you guys. This is the pool right here. The owner said we can dive in the pool after we get done with the job. I'm gonna dive in here, guys. What do you guys think about this pool? One day I'll get me one like this. I always wanted a pool. Using the steel 100. Trim up the bottom, and I'm putting the Combi 131R right here, ladies and gentlemen. I already got the whole set, the pole saw. This thing is a beast, guys. If you guys like trimming tree like Keith, that's what you guys need to buy. This is the more the money at trimming up stuff with this thing right here. I'm gonna get the other one too, so I wanna buy 2 of them damn things right here. Love trimming up trees. This is Julio right here, my helper.